Guys, shadowing has become really popular. Why it is so popular? Because it helps English learners to improve their English. If you are a beginner and are an intermediate level, then this video is going to be very beneficial for you. So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Surekha, and you are watching English in Little Room. Guys, if you really want to speak English, then don't skip the video. Watch the video till the end. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, first go and subscribe it. Guys, as I said in my previous videos, I'm a beginner and I have started 3 or 4 months. I have started speaking 3 or 4 months ago, and whatever I'm doing to learn this language, I just want to share with you. Okay, so guys, what am I doing to learn this language? I'm using shadowing technique, right? So you must have understood by looking at the title what is this video about. So what is this about? This video is about shadowing technique. Okay, so this is the only technique using which I am able to speak. I'm not saying I'm perfect, but this technique is completely totally perfect for you to learn English. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. Let's first understand what is shadowing. What is the meaning of shadowing? So shadowing is a technique where you imitate the another speaker. So what is shadowing? Shadowing is a technique where you imitate another speaker, right? So it's a very powerful technique, guys. So let's know what's are the benefits of this technique and what do you have to do. How can you apply this technique in your life to improve your English? Okay, so first you have to take some audios, it could be a podcast, YouTube videos, it can be anything. After that you have to listen and imitate. In the beginning it could be difficult, but after some days you will enjoy the process, right? You will enjoy the process. You will enjoy this process. Okay, so but the condition is you have to do it multiple times, otherwise it will not work. So in this way your pronunciation, your listening skill, and your vocabulary and your English will improve your, and you will learn new words and phrases. Second thing, you have to watch cartoons and animated stories, right? And you have to apply this technique there. When I started English, I started with English cartoons and animated stories. I still watch English cartoons and animated stories. While watching English cartoons and animated stories, you can pause the video and imitate the speaker, but you have to do it multiple times, right, according to your requirement. Okay, if I talk about myself, when I watch one video, if I talk about myself, I watch one video 4 or 5 times, right? And after that I repeat the things, I repeat the sentences. Okay, so this technique is very useful, very powerful. Okay, hundreds of people are learning English using this technique. Do it for at least 15 days, you will see the result yourself. Okay, so this is all about this video. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.